Hey, I'm transplanting blueberries. These guys are hurting big time, did not get enough sun, and over the winter I really neglected the area where they were and really got buried with weeds and whatnot. Show you what they look like. I'm gonna cut them back, dig the hole. I already lifted them super easy, which isn't good because that tells me the root system didn't grow out bad. You want a good root system for the plant to actually produce berries. So here's blueberry bush number 1. Very spindly, like I said, struggling like I can't tell you. Decent root ball, not that great though. It is a blueberry for the area, so make sure if you're planting blueberries, do plant in a plant that's good for your zones. Blueberry number 2. Very small root ball, look at that, itty bitty, not good. But he's got lots of green on it, so that's good. Those right there, those are berries. Don't transplant. It's too much stress on the plant. It's got a little bit of canker too, unfortunately. And here's this poor thing. This guy was completely covered up in weeds. Definitely not getting enough sun. I'm gonna cross my fingers, cut it back pretty hard. Decent root ball, not enough though, like really tiny. It's got some green right here. So keep your fingers crossed and hopefully this will be successful. What I'm going to put in the hole, these are acidic loving plants. You can put pine straw down into the hole, which is really good as it breaks down cheap and free. Also, if you've got some holly tone, drop that down just a bit. Read the packaging on the back. Don't over fertilize. You'll burn the snot out of the root system. And this will help them take off as well. It acidifies the space for them. Blueberry 1, 2, it's hard to see. Number 3, it's got very little green on it. I'm giving it a shot. And now, you know.